All right, boys, we're going into Best Buy because they are having Black Friday deals already. So let's see what's happening. And look at that wind. It's really crappy here in Pittsburgh. Now, all day yesterday, it rained like hell. All day. From morning till night. And then it started snowing. Don't you just love it? Oh. We got the Geek Squad out front. Oh, mercy. It says free shipping on everything. Well, anyway, I got an email saying they were having some Black Friday deals already, so we're gonna go check it out. $3.99 for the Spark, $8.49 for the Mavic Pro, $12.74 for the Phantom 4 Pro. Here's that new Tello that's $149. I don't know if it has an extra battery in it or the controllers with it. I don't know what the story is with that. There's the Anafi, $5.99. There's the Mantis, the Typhoon. There's the Hero 7 Black, $3.99. We got over here there's the Karma. There's the Karma Grip. I want to get one of them, but man, that thing's $2.99. What the shit? Yeah, they got some badass TVs in here. I don't have one of these 4K sets yet. Look at that picture on that thing. I've got 3 of those 1Ks. Oh, that's a big one there, man. Holy cow. See what else they got in here. There's that Kratos thing. 129 bucks for that? I'm gonna be smoking crack or something. Well, nothing good. I don't think that Best Buy's selling the toy drones anymore. I think they've got out of it. All right, boys. I went into Best Buy and walked out with the Karma. Okay, so I got the Black Friday deal, so I said, oh, hell with it. That way I can stay home on Black Friday. Don't have to come out here and wrestle around with all these knuckleheads. There it is. Okay. This has the Hero 6 Black in there, which I already have. So we'll deal with it. There's the Session 5. I was gonna shoot a video with it today, but it's so damn cold and windy. I'm like, hell with this. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.